Hi, I'm Ronnie Bellin, Business Development Manager with Yale Digital Door Locks. A digital door lock is a battery-powered electronic lock for residential applications such as the front door to your apartment, where we have replaced the mechanical key with an electronic key. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of the latest digital mortise locks from Yale. The product looks like this on the outside and like this on the inside. Here's the lock case, and it's a German type lock case. The design is made to be very modern with these glass parts here, but at the same time it should be strong with these metal parts. And it must also be a very universal design so that it can fit on many different types of doors. It's really simple to use this product. The electronic key looks like this, and you use it like this. To lock again, I just touch the front of the lock. Now, if I would lose my electronic key while I'm out, I can still get in with a backup function, and that's a keypad. The keypad is not visible when you're not using it, so you have to activate it first, and you do that by touching the front of the lock. I enter a code and confirm by touching the front again. When I enter the apartment and close the door, the product can actually lock itself automatically like this. There's a short delay. Now, if the door is open without unlocking first, the product will interpret this as a breaking and sound an alarm. To turn off the alarm, use a general key. Now, if there will be some kind of electronic failure or something, you can still use this lock with a regular mechanical key. Use it as a regular key. As an extra option, you can also control this lock with a remote control, just like we do with our cars. I can lock and unlock. Now, there's a low battery indicator. However, if you would run out of battery anyway, there's a backup function for that as well. And that's a 9-volt battery, which is standard and which you can buy in any nearest convenience store. You open the cover here, you attach the battery, and then use the product as usual. From the inside, it's very simple to use this product. You just press the handle down and will unlock automatically. You can also, if you don't have the auto locking on, you can also lock with this thumb turn here, and of course unlock as well. As you can see, it is very simple to use this product. It's very simple to configure this lock as well. Let's say, for example, that I want to add a second card. Then the programming is done on the back side of the lock, under the battery cover. And here you can see the 4 batteries. They are standard AA battery, very simple to find in convenience store and very cheap to buy. The programming is made by this programming button. I press it, and then I present all the cards that I want to use. And then I confirm by pressing the programming button again. Now, both these cards will work. Let's say now that I lose one of these cards, so I only want this card to be working. I use the programming button, present the card that I have left, and then confirm again with the programming button. Now, this card is working, but this card is not working. To change the code is also very simple. You press the programming button, enter the new code, and confirm by pressing the programming button again. As you can see, the individual LEDs makes it very simple to see what code you have entered. Now, the old code is no longer working. But the new code is. It's the simplicity of the concept that has made this product so successful. When you have a lock that will be installed in a residential context where you will rarely do the configuration, it needs to be very intuitive, ultimately eliminating the need for the user to consult their user manual. Yale Digital Door Locks fulfill these requirements, offering a product that is safe, convenient, and aesthetic.